Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I want to talk about something near and dear to my heart, and that's Autism Tree. See, I play surrogate father to a 10-year-old boy who was diagnosed with autism when he was born. And this is Zach. He's a great little dude. And all his life, he's been held back by the concept that his autism was something that would, slow him down in existence. But what I found from an amazing group called Autism Tree is that it's not a handicap, it's a diversity spectrum. That's what this is it's neurological diversity. The same way that we have diversity in so many areas of the world today, diversity can also be inside your mind. All our minds are different. And this little young man that I've watched grow for the last 5 years, it's been an amazing experience just watching this and seeing what he's truly capable of, even though the limitations were so high when he was born. And he has just blown past every single one of those. And with a nonprofit organization like Autism Tree, you've really got the support that he needs to grow and be the person that he knows he can be in this world. So I just wanted to come out and I wanted to point that out to you. I'm very lucky to have written a recent screenplay about a young boy with autism, and Autism Tree has come in and they have supported me from day one. So I just wanted to point them out. They have a neurodiversity conference in the beginning of November in San Diego. So if this is something that affects you or affects somebody in your life, reach out. Go to their website, get in touch with them. These are amazing people, and they truly do amazing things.